YouTube, today's video, I got the front finish, well, almost finished. As you can see, I got new headlights. The front grill, this grill, it's I guess for the TRD Sport. This is not original from for the off-road, so I got that one. The logo is missing, fog light still missing. What else? I'm still waiting. Well, I got new tires all around. I'm still missing for the whole thing. Right here is missing. So it's pretty much you know, spindle, brake, caliper, lower control on. I'm still waiting for those parts. It's difficult to get a good deal on those parts, but for the front I just need some retouches. Is not, you know, these lines, as you can tell, it needs to be fixed. That, so for today is gonna be the first start. I haven't, you know, running anything, so I'm just double check. I got stands, I got jacks, I got 2 jacks. You know, I have to make sure everything is safe. So let's get inside. Let's see what is wrong with the truck. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Okay, inside the truck. Let's see, 75, 503 the miles. Well, I got the key in my pocket, so let's see. Oh, I added a little touch because I like skulls. This one is nice. Oh, you know, it's my opinion. Okay, let's see. The push, brake, and start engine. Okay. Okay. So I got airbag. Okay. Well, I need to fix that. Anyways, I got an airbag. The tire pressure sensors, traction control, ABS, brake. Well, that's pretty much because everything in the front is, you know, is missing. So I hope I can clear all that when I got my parts. Okay. Ready works. I haven't checked all these accessories works, but I'm gonna make another video about it if that something's not working. The crawl control, you know, everything I have to check in another video when everything is done. For right now, those lights, but the good thing I don't have the check engine light on because it was missing the airbox intake, so I guess that should fix the problem. The truck is not shaking or anything. It's running good. Hopefully nice skull. Window works. Everything works. The sunroof. Why it's too hot to open the sunroof, but I'm pretty sure it works. So far, oh, I got a little plastic thing covered, missing. So front inside I had not too much work, so I just need to check it out, to check the airbag. So, but I need to take it to some professional shop or whatever. Oh, I don't know. Right now, it's running good. Everything is good so far. Well, guys, I'll let you guys know the future video for new updates. Thanks, guys. See you next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, support your boy. See you next video, guys.